Electric bikes offer a cost-effective, eco-friendly, and health-enhancing transportation option. The best electric bikes come in a variety of styles and sizes, catering to diverse preferences. They provide assistance without fully propelling the bike, making them less strenuous while still improving cardio strength. Though they are more expensive due to motor and battery costs, they prove to be a worthwhile investment, saving money on transportation expenses. Our comprehensive guide features top-rated electric bikes, including foldable models and affordable options, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. So in this video, we are going to discuss Top 5 Best E-Bikes of 2023. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Ribble Hybrid ALE. The Ribble Hybrid ALE stands out as the best hybrid electric bike with its sleek design and incredibly smooth ride. Whether for a sweat-free daily commute or long weekend rides, this electric hybrid delivers. Unlike many electric bikes, it boasts a stylish appearance, easily mistaken for a regular bicycle. The lightweight drive system, only 3.5 kilograms, contributes to its agility, and a discrete power button and slightly thicker down tube are the only giveaways. With a 3.5-hour charge time, it offers up to 60 miles of power-assisted riding on mixed terrain. The 3 levels of assistance, significantly the highest, provide an enjoyable experience. The e-bike Motion app offers navigation and ride statistics. Moreover, it is one of the most affordable e-bikes available. Highly recommended it, as it offers tremendous enjoyment during our tests. Number 4. Cowboy 4. For urban riding, the Cowboy 4 electric bike is a standout choice. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Cowboy 3, this model offers an even more refined experience and is available in step-over and step-through frames. The bike's simplicity is a major highlight, with an intuitive feel due to the absence of gears and complex controls. The motor engages automatically when pedaling, adjusting assistance based on pressure. Maintenance is hassle-free with internal cabling and a carbon belt drive system. Built-in lights, fenders, and a smartphone charging port enhance the convenience. Number 3. Gocycle G4. The Gocycle G4 is a top choice for premium folding e-bikes, particularly for commuters seeking the best money can buy. Its new motor offers smooth power assistance, and the bike boasts an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a quick charge. Gocycle's smartphone app allows customization of power assistance and range optimization. Despite being foldable for easy storage and transport, the G4 feels solid and well-balanced. It utilizes lightweight materials, internal cable routing, a chain guard, standard mudguards, and lights. While the smaller wheels are less forgiving on potholes, a seat shock absorber helps absorb bumps. While it comes with a premium price tag, it's a justifiable investment for those seeking a high-quality, main mode of transportation. If affordability is a priority, consider the MiRider One a worthy alternative. Number 2. MiRider One. The MiRider One folding e-bike is an excellent choice for commuters, offering convenience and power at an affordable price. Its compact size allows easy transportation on trains and storage under desks. Despite its small stature, it delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, thanks to a robust build and a rear shock absorber that handles minor bumps effortlessly. With 5 levels of power assistance, including a boost button and throttle control, you have ample control for quick getaways. It charges in just 2 hours and offers a maximum range of 40 miles. Number 1. Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 2022. The redesigned Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 is considered the top all-purpose e-bike available in 2022. Its high-capacity battery provides ample power and an impressive range of up to 90 miles with pedal assistance. The smooth power assistance is controlled by the excellent Mastermind Ride computer, allowing real-time power level adjustments, over-the-air software updates, and pin-based locking/unlocking. With a sturdy and practical build, it excels in everyday riding, especially in urban traffic, thanks to its comfortable upright position, standard lights, fenders, and front suspension fork. Although not cheap and slightly heavy, it offers a joyous and practical ride in various conditions, earning a high recommendation. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.